Hey, well, let's start this out as we always do. Good afternoon, good morning, or good evening. It's Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support. And thanks for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, I really appreciate you hanging out with me today. Today's a quick tech tip. Some of you may love it, some of you may never use it, but either way, let's jump in and dive right into it. And we're going to talk about how to zoom in on your web browser page. Sometimes you might be looking at a picture, reading an article, or showing a text to someone that's pretty small. You need to be able to zoom in on a web browser. This is going to work on pretty much all web browsers, especially the big, most popular three, which are Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox, probably the most utilized web browsers out there. It's very simple. All you're going to do is press and hold Control on your keyboard, and then your scrolly wheel that you have on your mouse, so you move like this, push up to zoom in, and scroll back to zoom out. Very simple, very easy. Maybe allows you to get into a screen that you need to a little bit easier on the web browser, and then come back out if you no longer need that zoom anymore. So I hope that helps you out. Hopefully some of you too take advantage of that. If not, totally understandable. But as always, if you need any assistance or help with IT inside of your business, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can find us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, thanks for joining me. I appreciate it as always. You have a great rest of your day, and thank you so much.